Hello future millionaire and welcome to our video. The increase in supermarket prices has become a topic of conversation for many. In the last 12 months, inflation has already exceeded double digits. The July result was mainly a reflection of the drop in fuel prices, in particular gasoline and ethanol, and electricity. Leave your like, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any more amazing tips like these. Is it possible to save money at the supermarket? In this scenario, shopping at the supermarket has become a challenge for many people. Inflation is the successive increase in prices, which leads to the loss of consumer purchasing power, explains Reynaldo Domingos. With inflation on the rise, he continues, it is necessary to use more money to buy the same amount of products that we are used to. How to save on monthly purchases? In this scenario, Domingos gives some tips on how to stock the pantry spending less. There are several factors that prevent people from saving in the market, he says. Therefore, making a diagnosis and strategically analyzing market purchases are essential points to ensure financial health. See expert advice. 1. Eat before going to the market. Avoid going shopping without eating. When we are hungry, we stop making rational decisions regarding the best purchase options and end up buying superfluous products, which normally would not enter the shopping cart, just to satisfy immediate needs. 2. Make a shopping list. It is essential that you prepare a list of the main products you intend to buy. We can't just rely on memory to think of everything, and the list helps you stay on budget as you look to buy exactly what you set out to get. Always leave a notebook or scrapbook paper handy, preferably in the kitchen, so you can write down which products you need to buy as they run out. 3. Don't take children shopping. Fathers and mothers understand well the problem regarding a family outing to shop. Often, parents feel compelled to please their children in some way, so they end up making several concessions. Shopkeepers are specialists in preparing temptations for the little ones, candies and cookies on the lower shelves, colorful packaging and more expensive products within their reach, among others. This has a number of negative effects for the entire family. 4. Keep an eye out for promotions and offers. Convenience chains, supermarkets and stores usually announce some weekly offers. Try to follow, as far as possible, all these promotions. Even if you don't have availability to go shopping often, you can take advantage of good deals that way. Also keep in mind the promotion days for each product in the markets. For example, some establishments offer fruit and vegetables on Wednesdays. The same goes for meat and fridge products. 5. Create your weekly menu. This is an excellent way to save on the week's purchases, because you'll be able to structure your budget well, optimizing trips to the market and reducing waste. For example, it is possible to buy a larger amount of meat, which will be cheaper than small portions, and freeze part of that product so that it lasts longer. By better planning the expenses of the month, money is saved. 6. Try new products. Don't be afraid to try new products, including cheaper ones. Many companies are strictly based on advantages of marketing conditions to raise the prices of their product, therefore, not necessarily more expensive products will have a higher quality. So give it a try, do extensive market research, and listen to third-party recommendations. 7. Take advantage of loyalty programs. These loyalty programs, points, card, draws for customers, among others, are not always advantageous, as they exist even in markets aimed at financially privileged consumers. However, if you shop regularly at certain establishments, you can enjoy access to certain perks by participating in these programs. Also open your mind to cashback actions, which can help you save. 8. Choose establishments well. The larger the establishment, the greater the conditions to offer discounts and promotions to its customers. But we are not always able to go to hypermarkets to make our purchases. In these cases, it is very convenient for us to buy in small establishments, close to our homes. However, sellers in these small markets end up charging more. If we make it a habit, our budget will be severely compromised. Therefore, it is recommended that purchases at larger establishments be more frequent or better planned so that our expenses are optimized. 9. Do research. Nowadays, it is no longer necessary to travel around the city, go from market to market, and check prices. You can take a shortcut, search the internet. Almost all supermarkets have an online store, which deliver at home. So, the point of attention is to know exactly what you want to buy. If you are sure of what you buy, the brand, and always looking at the expiry date, you will be able to save money by making a conscious purchase. 10. Have a financial budget. Finally, but in fact it is something that precedes shopping at the supermarket, maintain a personal or family financial budget. This is nothing more than an analysis of what you earn and what you spend to be able to see your numbers better. Many people go out shopping without any criteria. It's important to have very clear numbers to know how much you can spend on treats for the family and for yourself at the supermarket. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Share this video with people who need this type of content. Don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our tips on how to get rich in 2023.